Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today I'm going to share with you how to convert your website visitors into customers. So before I get started, I just hope that if you find this video valuable today, you give me a thumbs up and like this video below. And also subscribe to my channel if you're new, because I share a lot of tips about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and blogging. And smash that notification button so you can see when my next video comes out, okay? So let's get started. How to convert your website visitors into dollar signs. It's about a few elements. So I'm going to talk about 3 things that are that you could look at, and that you could definitely update if it's not the way it should be. And then I'm going to give you a very, very, very good tip at the end of this video. It is going to be a highly converting factor. Now, first thing I want to tell you is about when your visitors land on your page, they are usually coming from search traffic. That's how my blog works. It attracts its own visitors from search engines. So those types of people coming on your website like that means that they are looking for a solution to a problem they were looking for. Okay, so when they first land on your page and you don't give them the solution to what they were searching for, that is number one why you cannot convert your visitors into sales. So if they were searching for one thing, but they land on your page and it's talking about something else and doesn't give them the right or the whole answer, even sometimes, that you will lose a visitor just like that. So I'm going to give you an example. If I wrote about how to make money with a blog, right? And all I wrote about was how to build the blog, but then I forget to write about how to actually monetize that blog in that post. And then I just say, oh, then so go build your blog here. They're not going to go because I never actually told them how to make money with the blog. I only told them how to build it. So there's a big difference right there so like in my mind, I could be thinking, oh yeah, they just need to know how to build a blog. But no, there's the other elements that make money with that blog, right? So that's the relevancy. Like you gotta give them the whole picture, the whole answer to what they were searching for. So that's kind of number one thing to kind of check your own content. And number 2 item is that, do they have too many choices on your website? Do they need to go away and think about it? So when you're presenting the solutions to what they were searching for, are you limiting to maybe 1 or 2 options or 3, or are you giving them like a multiple of choices? When you do that, it's confusing, and it's just, they might need to think about it if it's too many, and then you just lose them because they go off your page like that, because they're like, oh. So it could be overwhelming. And then the third thing is, what is the actual product? Is the sales page for the actual product good? So if it's an affiliate product that you're promoting, is that sales copy good? Does it look professional? Does it look trustworthy? Does it look? Does it have a lot of information that they need? And is it secured? I mean, a website needs to have certain things on there to be trustworthy. So that is another aspect of this whole thing to get your sale. So the very last thing that you can use to really convert your visitors into buyers is using an email list. So you need to start building an email list from the visitors that come to your website. You need to offer them something that is valuable for their email address, and you give it out for free so they could exchange it for their email address. So like I have a guide that I give out to all my visitors, and to get that guide, they have to put in their name and email address. So the people who do that gets my emails, and I get to start building a relationship with them. I get to explain about the solution more, and then also tell them about my story and how I got started. And so it's a good way to really get building trust with your audience this way. So capturing their email address is very, very important, and using an email autoresponder to send out emails automatically is a system that you need to kind of just have it done automatically. Like you don't need, once you set it up, the emails will just go out as you set it. So it's a great way to keep in touch with the people that come to your website, so you don't just lose them. You want to capture them. You want to capture them before they leave, so that you can keep marketing to them and keep providing them value, and then opportunities to promote as many times as you want. So depends on how many emails you have in line for them. So I highly recommend Aweber. So I'm in affiliate marketing, and a lot of autoresponders these days do not like affiliate marketing emails. So you need to be aware of that. That is why I've been using Aweber. And if you want a 30-day trial for that, you could use my link that I will put below the video in the video description. And I also have it on the screen if you can see it somewhere here. It's basically workanywherenow.aweber.com, and you could get a 30-day trial with that. They are very reasonably priced. And I also have another video that I'll link to this video description as well, to show you how to put your first opt-in form into your website. So I hope you will enjoy that video as well. So if you have any questions, please put them below this video so I can answer them for you. And I hope you really found these tips valuable today. And if you do, remember, please give me a thumbs up and like this video. Also subscribe if you're new to my channel here, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I come out again, okay? So until then, have a great one. I'll see you later. Bye.